Space is big, really big. It's so vast that it's almost beyond human comprehension. When we look up at the night sky, we see just a tiny fraction of what the universe holds. The sheer scale of it is mind-boggling. It's hard to imagine just how big it is. Our planet, Earth, is just a small dot in the grand scheme of things. Even our solar system is just a tiny speck in the Milky Way galaxy. Our universe is filled with billions of galaxies. Each galaxy contains millions or even billions of stars. And each of those stars could have its own planetary system. These galaxies are scattered across vast distances. The space between them is so immense that it takes light, the fastest thing in the universe, millions of years to travel from one galaxy to another. It's a truly awe-inspiring sight to behold. The Milky Way, our home galaxy, is just one of these billions of galaxies. Its beauty and grandeur are a testament to the wonders of the universe. Imagine yourself looking up at the night sky. On a clear night far from city lights, you can see thousands of stars twinkling above you. Each one of those stars is a sun, just like ours. On a clear night you can see thousands of stars, and each of those stars is a sun, burning brightly in the vast expanse of space. Some of them are much larger and more powerful than our own sun. Each one of those stars is a sun, just like ours. Many of them have planets orbiting them, just like our solar system. These planets, known as exoplanets, could potentially harbor life. Many of them have planets orbiting them, just like our solar system. Some of these exoplanets are in the habitable zone where conditions might be right for life to exist. Now, imagine that each of those stars is a grain of sand. If you gathered up all the stars in the Milky Way, you'd have enough sand to fill a whole beach. And that's just one galaxy. If you gathered up all the stars in the Milky Way, you'd have enough sand to fill a whole beach. And that's just one galaxy. There are billions more out there, each with its own unique wonders, and that's just one galaxy. Our universe is full of surprises. The more we learn about it, the more amazing it becomes. So buckle up! Our universe is full of surprises. From black holes to neutron stars, from supernovae to quasars, the cosmos never ceases to amaze us. The more we learn about it, the more we realize how little we know. The more we learn about it, the more amazing it becomes. So buckle up. We're about to embark on a journey to explore one of the most incredible phenomena in the cosmos galaxy collisions. We're about to embark on a journey to explore one of the most incredible phenomena in the cosmos galaxy collisions. These cosmic events are not just spectacular to watch, but they also play a crucial role in the evolution of galaxies. Galaxies are vast collections of stars, gas, dust, and planets. They are the fundamental building blocks of the universe, each one a massive, gravitationally bound system that can contain billions or even trillions of stars. These stars are often accompanied by their own planetary systems, making galaxies incredibly diverse and complex. Think of them as giant islands in the cosmic sea, floating in the vast expanse of space. Each galaxy is separated by immense distances, often measured in millions of light-years, making them isolated yet interconnected parts of the cosmic web. They come in different shapes and sizes, each with its own unique story to tell. Some galaxies are majestic spirals with winding arms, while others are more spherical or irregular in shape. These differences are not just cosmetic, they tell us about the history and evolution of each galaxy. Our very own galaxy is called the Milky Way. It's a vast spiral galaxy that stretches across the night sky, a familiar sight to anyone who has looked up on a clear night. It's a spiral galaxy, shaped like a giant pinwheel, with its arms winding out from a central bulge. These spiral arms are regions of active star formation, glowing brightly with young, hot stars. We live in one of its spiral arms about 2/3 of the way out from the center. This region is known as the Orion Arm, a relatively quiet and stable part of the galaxy. Another famous galaxy is Andromeda. It's our closest galactic neighbor, located about 2.5 million light-years away. It's our closest galactic neighbor, and also a spiral galaxy, even bigger than the Milky Way. Andromeda is on a collision course with the Milky Way, and in about 4 billion years, the two galaxies will merge to form a new galaxy. On a clear night, you can actually see Andromeda with the naked eye. It appears as a faint, fuzzy patch of light, a glimpse into the vastness of the universe. It looks like a faint smudge of light in the constellation of Andromeda, a reminder of the incredible distances that separate us from our galactic neighbors. There are also elliptical galaxies, which look like giant footballs or elongated spheres. These galaxies are often older and contain less gas and dust, meaning fewer new stars are born within them. And then there are irregular galaxies, which have no defined shape at all. These galaxies are often the result of gravitational interactions or collisions with other galaxies, leading to their chaotic appearance. Each type of galaxy is beautiful and unique in its own way, a testament to the diversity and complexity of the universe. From the elegant spirals to the enigmatic irregulars, galaxies are the islands in the cosmic sea, each one a world unto itself. Now, here's where things get really interesting. Galaxies aren't just sitting still in space, they're constantly moving, pulled around by the force of gravity. Sometimes galaxies get too close for comfort. When this happens, they collide in a spectacular cosmic dance. But don't worry, these collisions aren't as catastrophic as they sound. You see, galaxies are mostly empty space. The stars inside them are spread out over such vast distances that they rarely actually collide with each other. It's more like two swarms of bees flying through each other. However, these collisions are still incredibly powerful events. They can distort the shapes of galaxies, trigger the birth of new stars, and even fling stars and gas out into intergalactic space. But how do these collisions happen? The answer is gravity. Gravity is the force that attracts objects with mass towards each other. It's what keeps us on Earth, what keeps the Earth orbiting the Sun, and what holds entire galaxies together. Gravity also plays a crucial role in galaxy collisions. When two galaxies approach each other, their gravitational forces begin to interact. The closer they get, the stronger the pull becomes. This gravitational tug-of-war can last for millions, even billions of years. As the galaxies get closer and closer, their shapes begin to distort. They might stretch out, form long tails of stars and gas, or even merge together to create a new, larger galaxy. Section 5. Galactic Transformations. The aftermath of a galaxy collision is a time of great change and upheaval. The colliding galaxies are forever altered by the experience. The immense gravitational forces involved can trigger bursts of star formation. The gas and dust within the galaxies get compressed, leading to the birth of millions of new stars. In some cases, the supermassive black holes at the centers of the colliding galaxies may even merge. This releases enormous amounts of energy, creating powerful jets of radiation that can be seen across the universe. Galaxy collisions are a testament to the incredible power of gravity and the ever-changing nature of our universe. They remind us that even the largest structures in the cosmos are not immune to the forces of change and evolution. Section 6. Cosmic Collisions Through Time. Throughout the history of the universe, countless galaxy collisions have taken place. Astronomers have observed many of these collisions in various stages, from the initial approach to the final merger. One famous example is the antennae galaxies. These two spiral galaxies are currently in the process of colliding, their shapes distorted into two long antennae-like tails of stars and gas. Another example is the Cartwheel Galaxy. This galaxy got its unusual shape after a smaller galaxy passed through its center, creating a ripple effect of star formation. These examples show us that galaxy collisions are not just theoretical events, but real processes that have shaped the universe we see today. Section 7. A new perspective on our place in the cosmos. Studying galaxy collisions is more than just an academic exercise, it's a window into the dynamic processes that shape the universe. When galaxies collide, they don't just pass through each other like ghosts. Their gravitational forces interact, causing dramatic changes. Stars are flung into new orbits, gas clouds compress and ignite new star formation, and sometimes entire galaxies can merge to form a new, larger galaxy. It gives us a deeper understanding of our own place in the cosmos. By studying these cosmic events, we can trace back the history of our own galaxy and understand the forces that have shaped it over billions of years. By observing how galaxies interact and evolve, we can learn more about the history of our own galaxy, the Milky Way. These interactions are not just random events, they are part of a larger cosmic dance that has been going on since the beginning of time. In fact, astronomers believe that the Milky Way has experienced several collisions with smaller galaxies throughout its lifetime. These collisions have left their mark, contributing to the Milky Way's current structure and composition. These collisions have likely played a role in shaping the Milky Way into the majestic spiral galaxy we know and love today. The beautiful spiral arms that we see are the result of these ancient cosmic interactions. They may have even contributed to the formation of our own solar system. The gas and dust from these collisions could have provided the raw materials needed for the birth of our sun and planets. So, the next time you look up at the stars, remember that you are looking at a universe teeming with activity. Every point of light you see is part of a larger story, a story of creation, destruction, and rebirth. Galaxies are colliding, stars are being born and dying, and the cosmos is constantly evolving. This never-ending cycle of change is what makes the universe such a fascinating place to study and explore. Section 8. The future of our galaxy. And what about the future? What's in store for our own galaxy, the Milky Way? Well, astronomers predict that in about 4 billion years, the Milky Way will collide with its nearest neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. This collision will be a slow and drawn-out process, lasting for millions of years. The two galaxies will pass through each other multiple times, their shapes becoming increasingly distorted. Eventually, they will merge to form one giant elliptical galaxy. This new galaxy has already been given a name, Milkdromeda. Don't worry though, the chances of our solar system being affected by this collision are very slim. The collision between the Milky Way and Andromeda is just one of countless collisions that will continue to shape the universe for billions of years to come. Section 9. The never-ending story of the universe. The universe is a dynamic and ever-changing place. Galaxy collisions are just one chapter in the never-ending story of the cosmos. These cosmic dances remind us of the vastness and beauty of the universe and the incredible forces at play within it. They also highlight the interconnectedness of everything in the cosmos. So keep looking up at the stars and never stop wondering about the mysteries of the universe. There's always something new to discover out there, waiting to spark our curiosity and imagination.